What's up, world? Roy Knight is here, Roy Masters Floor Cleaning Services. We are here in this floor video session. We are showing you big or small. It doesn't matter the area size. It doesn't matter, big or small. We got you covered. In this session, I'm going to show you exactly how we do a surgical little precision blend in the middle of a floor. So we just did 12,000 square feet of VCT tile in a commercial space. We tile scrubbed it and then we gave it 5 coats of wax that they provided. Then we were called back to do some touch-ups about 2 weeks later. So then we went back, and then come to find out they had destroyed a VCT tile and they wanted us to fix it. No worries. So in this video we're showing you exactly how we do it. Right? Everybody has their own way of doing things, but this is the way we do it. This is why we're called specialists and we're able to do what we do, because we strive for the best. Everybody can't do what we do, and that's just what it is. 210-324-1622 for all your floor care services, hardwood floor refinishing. Give us a call. This is what we do. We love to do. We love to produce excellence. We strive for the best, only for the best. Give us a call. You got any questions? We got answers. Once again, we are fixing a one tile, VCT tile, in the middle of the floor, blending it in with all the rest of it so it matches and it shines. The clarity level shines all around it. Let's go take a look.